new, there was a time in my life where I would put on a super stylish outfit and I looked into the mirror and just something felt off and I didn't know why. I didn't feel cool even though I had all the right pieces on me. It just didn't feel right and I didn't know why, and I just felt stuck in this big fashion funk. So this video is all about how to get out of those fashion funks and how to truly find your personal style and just how to look overall more stylish and feel stylish and just look and feel your best. Before we jump into the first tip, hi, my name is Natalie and we talk about all things fashion on this channel. So if that's something that interests you, definitely click the subscribe button below. I have also structured this video for you so you can skip to any tip you want just to save you some time. Number one thing that I would recommend is not going all out and buying everything new. I think it's the first thing that comes to mind when you feel like you have nothing to wear. Just going out and buying more stuff that make you feel better, and it maybe will work for a little bit, but it won't bring you any closer to truly finding your personal style. We live in a super consumeristic world, and literally every fashion video and lifestyle video and pretty much any video that I've seen tries to push a product for you to buy, and all of these fashion videos are feeding you trends that you have to buy in order to stay on trend. And we don't even have trends anymore, we also have micro trends, and like, who can keep track of that, you know? But not only will this completely financially ruin you, but it just won't help you find your personal style. You cannot rush this process. Like, personal style takes a lot of time, and building your dream closet takes even longer. So instead, you can follow these next few tips that I'm gonna talk about. Tip number 2 is spend more money on good basics and less on trends. Basics are the core pieces of our outfits and they're super important. And I'm someone who never really saw the purpose of buying a super expensive white t-shirt when it's just a white t-shirt and, you know, I can buy it literally anywhere. So I have always bought white t-shirts from H&M, Zara, all of these, you know, shops, and they were great for a while, because obviously they weren't the best quality, and it just turned into this huge cycle of just buying more and more affordable t-shirts that didn't really work for me long term. So I would suggest splurging on a good basic and then thrifting or fast fashion shopping more of those bold statement pieces that you know that you're not gonna rewear that much. Okay, tip number 3 is adding one personal item to everyday outfits. Just take that extra minute to put something more special on that will make the outfit really and truly feel like your outfit. And this can be whatever you want. Like, I'm talking socks, tights, hats, jewelry pieces, your favorite cut of jeans. Like, it can literally be whatever you want, but it has to make your outfit feel more like you. And I found somewhere on the internet that actually only 20% of the outfit is the clothes and 80% are the accessories. So you can really and truly go all out. But if you're somebody like me who does not really like, you know, bold accessories and stuff, you can keep it very simple with just a simple necklace and a couple of rings. But there's so many accessories and things to choose from. I actually want to do a separate video just talking about accessories because I think they're truly the key thing to make your outfit look better. And it can be such a simple thing, like a good pair of socks. Okay, like a good ruffle pair or a colorful pair can really change the mood of the outfit. It's the same with tights. You can switch your regular black pair just for a different color or like a lacy pair, and this little switch can just completely turn around the whole outfit. Or you can add like a really cool hat. I love hats. There's so many cool styles. My personal favorite right now is this one. It's like the paper boy hat. I don't know how it's called. Or a scarf, and there's so many ways you can tie a scarf. You can wear it like the babushka style or like a pirate. You can also focus on the bag. Either you can choose a color that will go with the outfit, or you can choose a color that completely doesn't go with the outfit and it will be like a bold statement piece, and again, it will boost the overall outfit, which is personally something that I love to do. I love pairing a very simple outfit with a very bold, not matching at all bag. I just feel like that just looks so good. Another really cool way to accessorize is hair. I don't think we talk about this enough, but hair can truly completely change the outfit, and it can really be one of the best accessories. I'm not really a hair girl, unfortunately, recently, so I cannot really talk for myself, but I love all of these influencers, like Matilda Triarf obviously comes to mind, that have found their signature hairstyles or just experiment with different buns and braids and stuff, and they can wear a very basic outfit, but the hair is what like boosts it. If you're not somebody that is completely into fashion, you can distract them with your beautiful voluptuous hair. Another way to spice up your outfit is experimenting with the colors and patterns and mismatching them. I think it's one of the best ways to experiment with your clothing. Also, you can thrift a lot of colorful sweaters, for example, so it's kind of easy to try. Oh my god! Look at that. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna go eat and I'll be back. I just ate the best burger ever and we can continue. But yeah, as I was saying, experimenting with colors and patterns is one of the best ways to also spice up your outfits. And the last accessory that I think can completely turn over a look is jewelry. Finding a good bold pair of earrings or like a everyday dainty pair is the best feeling in the world. And I'm so grateful for Beautiful Earth Boutique for sponsoring this video. They have sent me the most breathtaking jewelry pieces ever. Plus, all of their pieces are super affordable and they're waterproof and tarnish free, which I think are the three most important things when it comes to jewelry. But yeah, they have sent me all of these beautiful pieces and I'm so grateful. They have so many beautiful designs, so I really encourage you to go and check out their website. You can find your beautiful statement pieces as well as some dainty everyday pieces. So yeah, if you've been looking for some new jewelry pieces, Beautiful Earth Boutique is the way to go. Again, affordable, waterproof, tarnish free. What more can you want? And they also gave me a discount code. This is it, so make sure to use it to save your money. So again, just adding one personal item, one simple accessory can really turn the whole look around. So pay attention to what you like to wear, what you feel the best in, and find that bold statement piece that feels the best for you and which will be the cherry on top on all your outfits. Tip number 4, or I don't know which number we're at, is knowing when a trend is not for you. As I said in the beginning, we live in a world where we not only have trends, but we also have micro trends now. And for each season, we have like 20, and it's just a lot to keep track of, let alone buying all of them. Like, I do not have money for that. And again, buying the latest trend won't make you look stylish. Personal style isn't something that you can rush, and it definitely isn't built on micro trends and trends in general. For example, for me, I'm somebody who is very feminine and who likes, you know, girly fashion. So when cargo pants took over and literally everybody and your mama was wearing them, I didn't purchase a single pair of cargo pants, even though it was like a biggest trend and I'm a fashion influencer and I should have, you know, go with the trends to look more stylish, but I just knew that it wouldn't feel authentic to my personal style and it just wouldn't make me feel like myself, you know, it just would make me feel like a imposter. Tip number 5 is finding your outfit formula. This is something that I cannot teach you. This is something that you have to find for yourself. I know this kind of sounds like homework, but it's not. I swear it's super easy. Basically, it's finding the pieces that will always make you look and feel good. This will help you in those days when you feel like you have nothing to wear. It is so important to just have a couple of pieces that you know that you can grab and go. The best way to do it, I think, is to pay attention to what you're wearing on those days where you don't have to look super stylish, or when you're not meeting a lot of people and you're just, you know, wearing what feels comfortable and what feels like you know, you're not trying to impress anybody. I feel like that's when you truly find what are those pieces that make you feel comfortable and good. And I would suggest having a couple of these just so you have an outfit formula for every occasion, you know, for casual events, formal. That's pretty much the 2 you need. So for example, for me, the best outfit formula for a formal event would be my black maxi dress. I know that when I put on a black maxi dress, I will feel and look the best. I will accessorize the outfit to make it look more bold, but it will still feel like me and it will make me feel good. And for those casual looks, I know that when I put my black boots and a black turtleneck on, I will always feel the best. So having a couple of these formulas will help you so much and just make you feel like your closet has your back again. And my last tip, but definitely not least, is use Pinterest. That is such a basic girl tip, but honestly, it's just the best place for outfit inspo. And I'm not saying go out there and copy other people's looks. No. That's not how you will find your personal style. Instead, Pay attention to the outfits that you are saving, the outfits that you really like on other people, and try to think of why. Is it the cut of the clothing? Is it the cool boots or accessories? Is she wearing a lot of colors or patterns? Or on the other hand, is she wearing a lot of black and white and staying very simple? Just try to pay attention what you like, which styles you like, and if you cannot really niche it down, and if you cannot really say like, oh, I'm cottagecore, I'm gothic core. What? Is that even real? If you cannot pick just one of these things, it's completely fine. Personally, I would divide my style into like 5 categories, maybe like 10 even. And it's fine because that's my personal style. My personal style is made out of the bits and pieces of all of these like niche categories. That's it. That were all of my tips for how to look more stylish and how to find your personal style. If you have more ideas, definitely make sure to leave them down in the comments so we can give each other some inspo. And that is it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely make sure to go check out Beautiful Earth Boutique. Again, the most stylish, the most breathtaking jewelry pieces. I'm in love. And make sure to use my discount code as well. If you have a minute, make sure to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my Vinted, and my Pinterest. And that is it. I love you so, so much. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!